My dear beloved students, listen here. Now I will teach the alphabets. A for alcohol and asset tax. B for bus and birth certificate price hike. C for current bill hike. D for diesel cess hike. E for education minister ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. F for foreign trip tax. G for Gandhi election tax. H for hospital ಚೀಟಿ price hike. I for infrastructure cess hike. J for jail of Parapura Agrahara turned into resort. K for kerosene ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. L for land registration price hike. M for milk price hike up to 9 rupees. N for ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿನ ರೇಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ. O for oil price hike. P for property tax rate increased. Q for quarry materials price hike. R for road tax doubled. S for stamp duty fees increased. T for toll charges for state highway. U for utility bills were hiked. W for water tax doubled. X for X-rayಗೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು. Y for ಯತೀಂದ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. Z for Zamir Ahmad tax.